In this video we will learn how to make a Samsara friendship bracelet. Take a piece of thread about 50 centimeters long as the main thread, in any color. Wrap a coil around the middle of the line. Then tie 2 snake knots. Put on accessories and secure them. Take 5 pieces of wire 1 meter long. Each thread is arranged according to color and hung on the main thread with a flat knot. Be sure make flat knots in the same direction. Then start making the reincarnation knot from the first thread. Place the line on the left at the top, and the line on the right at the bottom. Braid it with a flat knot. Twist the flat knot and tighten it. Make a flat knot in sequence, then twist and tighten. It's ready in one group. The following are repeated in sequence and so on. Keep knitting repeatedly until you get the right length. Knitting is completed. Tie the 2 outermost threads into a snake knot. Then tighten. tie another knot. Cut off the excess thread in the middle and burn it well. Wrap some gold wire around it. Then pass the thread through the loop. Now braid a 2-color flat knot and put it on top. Finally, put on the reserved rope and match the beads. The bracelet is ready. There is another way to wrap things up at the end. Divide the reserved rope in the half and pass half through the coil. Put on the 2-color flat knot and use it as an adjustment ring. Beautiful bracelet is ready. Thank you for watching the video. At the end, please like and share the video. And also subscribe our channel for more videos like this.